Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Gap factory jeans, and these ones, besides other ones that I showed in previous clip, are Gap factory, but it's legging, sky high legging skin. And they look like this. These jeans are lightweight, and they have this kind of, this model is this kind of, and here is the tag Gap leggings. These ones are in 16 size, which is my size. It seems nice, light and stretchy. Like these ones are more stretchy than Gap cigarettes, and they have 2% elastane, that's why they're more stretchy. And they also have this kind of dark wash denim. It comes with 2 holes on the knees, or 1, let's see. Only 1, I thought it's 2. So this one only have 1. And the bottoms are like this. They have, I don't know how it's called, but they are trimmed. I don't know. And the back looks like this. But I got them in size tall. Hope they are not too big on me, because sometimes tall jeans are long in this area, then they hang it out. Okay, so I try them on. So they look like this. They are tall here in the waist. They are slightly loose, but not much here. So they are looking like this. These things, pockets are a little shallow, and this thing going above belly button is here. I don't know if to keep them or not, because they look pockets here, they are too loose. friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of another jeans. This time I have another jeans which is a Gap Factory jeans. I got them on sale, as it was sale, I mean clearance, and then it was 50% additional from clearance. And I've got two models of Gap Factory leggings or jeans, and they arrived today here in this big thing. So let me open it. Okay, so I've got two pairs of jeans. First ones looks like they came here. They are in size 18. And let me open it. So these jeans are in size 18 and they are looking like this. This is regular 18, regular 18 size, regular length, and they are high-rise leggings. They have some stretch to it. They don't have secret moving pockets, they just have cheap pockets like this. But it's still fine. These ones are at least not as big as the ones in past from Gap, but they might be too big. The jeans looks good quality. Look guys, it looks nice quality, and I like this kind of wash, which is contrasting dark with light. See, the wash is nice. I smell it a bit, and they have this thing. They have this kind of stitching on the sides, which is interesting. All the way from this part, from the beginning. So yeah, if they not fit, I will return them. No big deal. Just it will be a little disappointing. The model is called this. High-rise leggings, stretch, super skinny through the hip and thigh. I got the 18 because they didn't have 16 when I was buying them. But maybe later we did. And I also got another ones. Draw here. Let's open them. So these ones are also looking like this. These ones are 16, size 16, and it's the leggings skimmer stretch. So they look like this. This is the name of them, Gap Factory. It says Gap Denim. And these ones are interesting because they have this kind of stitching right here. Can you see embroidery on the leg? I don't know if I will like it. It will be annoying when I can return. But I think maybe it will be fine. So it looks like this. and we have raw ham at the bottom, which I would prefer when they would be just normal, but I would prefer when they normal. Okay, I try them on, and this is how they look. Also a little big. Also I have to return back. Okay, this one is so big. Don't like, as you can see, too big. So I also return them. I thought they would be nice, but no, they have to be big. And I think on the side they looks a little better than in real. In real they look like they're a little bit dimmer. See? This one looks like this, size 16, and also a little big. Loose. So I would size down, and the legs sticking out, leg ends, it looks like this. And it's my size, so I would go down in them one size, but maybe I keep them, I don't know yet. Because I can go as comfy pants. I mean, no, they are mid-rise. They go a little below belly button. Yeah, so it looks like this. Little big, but I don't know. Maybe I return. Here is a little pouch. This part. It looks like this. Actually, they are too big. I guess I will return them too. They're falling from me. anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like such videos, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.